Welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Entertainment. And next 9 to 10 minutes you can say can save you and your family from COVID-19. Yes, I'm telling you that you can be saved if you follow these directions. Before going to that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Knowledge Entertainment. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. So exactly what is COVID-19? As we all know that COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus termed as coronavirus. There has been a lot of half-truths surrounding the connection between COVID-19 and increasing immunity through food to fight COVID-19. Here, we'll try to discuss some frequently asked questions related to COVID-19. So the first question is, are there any foods that boost our immune system against COVID-19? And the answer is, as per the guidelines of World Health Organization, there is at present no persuasive evidence that any food or dietetic model can boost our immune system and prevent or treat COVID-19. Yes, there are a number of nutrients such as copper, folate, iron, zinc, selenium, and vitamins A, B6, B12, C and D that play a vital role in our immune system. Another question is, what is healthy balanced diet? It is normally advised to have a healthy balanced diet prosperous in fruits and vegetables, which allows us to get these nutrients through our food. Being physically active, reducing and managing stress, and getting enough sleep will also help support normal immune functioning. Another frequently asked question is, what should we do to keep away COVID-19? And answer is almost all of we know that the best way is good hygiene practices, social distancing, isolating those who are infected, extra care for our elders and children, keeping ourselves away from rumors, that is a must. And the most important, following guidelines of the administration and the government from time to time. Another question is, are there any supplements that boost our immune system against COVID-19? And the answer is, there is currently no evidence claiming that any supplement can boost our immune system and prevent or treat viral infections like COVID-19. We should keep this in mind when evaluating information from some source or organizations who claim otherwise. So what should we do then? Make sure meeting your dietary requirements for many vitamins and minerals is important for good health and normal immune functioning. Another question is, can we be infected by COVID-19 from eating food? There is no currently evidence that COVID-19 is transmitted through eating food. Even then, good food safety practices are always recommended to minimize the possibility of foodborne diseases. Another frequently asked question is, what precautions should be taken regarding food? So when handling or preparing food, make sure to wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap before and after preparing or eating food. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or a mask or your sleeve when you cough or sneeze, and remember to wash your hands after. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Disinfect surfaces and objects before and after use. Keep raw and cooked foods separate to avoid harmful microbes from raw foods spreading to ready-to-eat foods. Use different utensils and chopping boards for raw and cooked foods to prevent cross-contamination. Make sure to cook and reheat foods to adequate temperature, at least at 72 degrees and at least for 2 minutes. Another question is, can we catch COVID-19 by touching food packaging? The answer is, basically COVID-19 virus spreads from person to person through contact with sneeze or cough droplets of an infected person. As this virus can exist on food packaging for a day and on plastic for several days, there is a remote risk of getting infected from touching an object contaminated by the virus and then touching your mouth, nose or eyes. So what are the biggest risk factors? In shops, the biggest risk of contamination remains contact with other people and high touch surfaces such as weighing scales, shopping counters or elevator buttons. Therefore, we should wash our hands both after returning home from the shop and after handling newly purchased food packaging. So what are some measures that must be followed? Keep a distance of 1 to 2 meters from others when shopping. Don't go shopping if you are sick or if you are not feeling well. Avoid touching foods unless you are going to buy them. Try to limit visiting grocery shops. Cover your mouth and nose with a mask or your sleeve when you cough or sneeze, and remember to wash your hands after. Don't touch your face, nose, mouth before washing your hands. I think you like this presentation and you will follow the instructions to save you and your family from the deadly disease known as COVID-19. So once again, I request you to like this video, to subscribe the channel and to share this video with the persons who are near and dear to you, whom you want to save from COVID-19, whom you want to keep away from COVID-19. Thank you. Thank you once again for watching my video.